the general sense of security among the common people has improved. Crime figures under major headings like dacoity, robbery, burglary, murder, etc. have shown a significant reduction. A marked decline in crime affecting the human body, which includes various heinous crimes like murder, rape, dowry death, etc., is a matter of satisfaction. The Law and Order Review meeting with SDPOs and SSPs was held on 11th October at Police Headquarters Conference Hall, and with OCPSS and SSP on 20th, SSP সাথে ছিল 9th November, OCPSS দের সাথে 20th November at Pragya Bhavan, Agartala. In both the review meetings, the Honorable Chief Minister Tripura stressed upon the importance of ensuring the rule of law. The Khwai Women Police Station was inaugurated on October 15, 2022 by Professor Dr. Manik Shaha. Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, to ensure a safer environment and better access to justice for women. With its inauguration, the total number of women's police stations has increased to 8. The two-day 27th conference of DGs, P and IGP and CPOs of northeastern states was held in Pragya Bhavan, Agartala. After a long gap, the Tripura Police have arranged such a conference. The said conference ended on a positive note with the hope of developing better coordination, cooperation and communication between the northeastern states for combating various crimes like drug trafficking, human trafficking, infiltration and border issues. On November 25, 2022, 4 highway patrol vehicles were flagged off, allowing the highway patrol to cover approximately 210 kilometers of national highways from Agartala to Churaibari. It is worth noting that 4 highway patrol vehicles were previously launched on August 2022 to cover approximately 135 kilometers of national highways from Agartala to Sabrum. Due to sincere efforts made by the Tripura Police, property crimes have drastically decreased. During the last month, police have arrested over 24 property offenders in the state and recovered stolen properties. Efforts by the police to identify the miscreants and arrest the involved offenders, especially in property offences, are continuing. Senior formations are regularly monitoring the situation. We hope that with the help of general public, police will be able to control the situation strongly. The measures being taken to control property crime incidents are continuing. In heinous cases such as murder, crime against women, etc., accused persons have been arrested immediately after the commission of the crime. During this month, a total of 7 accused persons were arrested in connection with their involvement in murder cases, and 33 persons were arrested in crime against women related cases, including rape cases. Special anti-narcotic drive by the Tripura Police is continuing all over the state, and during this drive conducted this month, police seized 8,359 kg of dry ganja, 454.3 gram of heroin, 1,062 bottles of contraband cough syrup, and 34,665 yaba tablets. During the special drive, approximately 4,80,000 marijuana plants, means ganja plants, were destroyed. In this connection, 34 cases have been registered under various sections of the NDPS Act, and a total of 42 persons have been arrested. This special drive will continue and will be intensified in the coming days to ensure a drug-free Tripura. A total of 368 awareness camps were organized throughout the state under the banner of Prayas to enhance community policing. Various programs like Run for Unity, Civic Action Programs, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, friendly football, volleyball tournament, and health camps were organized in connection with Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by the police and TSR. Special enforcement is continuing its campaign against helmetless driving, illegal parking, overspeeding, and violations of other traffic rules. During traffic enforcement in the current month, over rupees 75 lakhs was realized as fine money under various sections of the MB Act. Traffic enforcement will continue to prevent drunken driving, overspeeding, fatal accidents, and other traffic violations. A special raid is also underway to combat the use of tinted glass in vehicles, the absence of high security number plates, vehicle fitness, etc. It is worth noting that there were 16 convictions during the month. Some notable convictions include the death sentence of a person given by the LD District and Session Judge Kwai on November 23, 2022 for murdering 4 people, including his own daughter, his brother, and a police officer. One accused was sentenced to suffer RI for 10 years by the Learned District and Session Judge of Sipayjala in connection with a dowry death case. Learned District and Session Judge Dhalai sentenced one accused person to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 7 years in connection with an NDPS case. Another accused person was sentenced to suffer RI for life in connection with the murder of his wife in Unnakuti district. One correction, the Khwai Women Police Station was inaugurated on November 15th. It was written in October 15th, so it is a misprinting. That's all for today. Now anything from you people? Actually, এটার ব্যাপারে আমরা একটা প্রেস রিলিজ দিছিলাম, মেইনলি রিজনাল কোঅপারেশন, কোঅর্ডিনেশন ইন কম্বেটিং ড্রাগ, হিউম্যান ট্রাফিকিং, এগুলি মেইন ইয়ে ছিল। এইটার ডিটেলসটা এখনো আসেনি আমাদের কাছে, জাস্ট আমরা ইনফরমেশনটা পেয়েছি, এখনো ডিটেলসটা আসেনি। ডিটেলসটা এলে আমি খোঁজ নিয়েছিলাম একটু আগে, সবাই বাইরে আছে এখনো, এসপি সাহেবও বাইরে আছেন এটা নিয়ে, তো আমার সঙ্গে কথা হয়নি। আমি যদি ইয়ে থাকে আমি আলাদা প্রেস রিলিজ একটা আপনাদেরকে দিয়ে দেবো এই ব্যাপারে। Thank you. তাদেরকে চা দেন।